Hello, my name is Mayru Ballesteros. Presentation step to comprehend intellectual property. Concept map, excessive processing time. Consequence, number one, entrepreneurs must be certain that when there is a net venture, they are exposed to win or lose depending on the pack that the product acts on the market. Number two, the entrepreneur is exposed to the competition with a product that makes the same need and its generics is a lot of money. Number two, uncertainty of the success of the venture expression of the lines and processing time in paper one. Las causes, number one, when a person makes the decision to launch a product on the market and or start his business, he needs the registration of a trademark. Number two, for the product or services that each company is providing in the third of its appeals, claims or reviews, a legal system is needed or required. Number three, the Superintendency of Industry and Commerce must ensure that each review is completely clear and truthful with as well of the existence of the brand of a product so that it is not identical. Recommendation number one, had avoided initially a signal to start the business and thus be able to work with more pics of me, refrain from the bad or good that may happen during the brand reconfigure process. Number two, during the business implementation process, the ideal is to be clear about the PHBA cycle so that about paperwork requires do not remain online. Thank you. Bye.